ready to race. Away they go. Maximum Impact. Pass to begin, followed by Crafty Treasure. King Berhard, there's spell. Number 3, Inquiry. It's now Maximum Impact, followed by Crafty Treasure in second. King Berhard reaching third from the outside, running fourth by about 6 lengths, and Gadi, while Duma Dagundong is running at the tail of the field. Maximum Impact by a length and a half, followed by Crafty Treasure in second, and racing on the outside is King Berhard. And at the far turn, Maximum Impact, Crafty Treasure pressing up on the outside. It's now Crafty Treasure, Maximum Impact by Darrell. And on the outside, third by about 4 lengths is King Berhard. As they race the final corner, it's Crafty Treasure, Maximum Impact once again by Darrell. Maximum Impact, Crafty Treasure, Maximum Impact is running by Darrell. Maximum Impact this time by about 3 lengths, followed by Crafty Treasure, and nearing the finish line, Maximum Impact second, Crafty Treasure, and Gadi, Duma Dagundong, and King Berhard.